Ever wondered how to get the perfect roast chicken? Look no further. We'll show you how. 4 simple steps. Let's go. Stage 1. Prep. Remove any moisture with a paper towel. Season both outer and underside with salt and ground black pepper. Poke holes all over with a cocktail stick to guarantee that gorgeous crispy skin. Place the chicken in a large dish. Leave in the fridge for 8 hours. This lets the salt work its magic. Preheat oven to 230 degrees or gas mark 8. Let the chicken rest at room temperature for an hour. Stage 2 is the trussing. Take 3 foot of cotton cooking twine. Cut away any excess twine. Stage 3, roast. Ideally, you place the chicken on a rack within your pan, as this allows the heat to circulate all the way around the bird. If you don't have a rack, just place on top of chopped vegetables instead. Now roast at 230 degrees or on gas mark 8 for 1 hour. When the timer's about to bleep, use the oven's meat probe and just check the chicken is 71 degrees Celsius inside at its thickest part. When it is, then you can remove the chicken and let it rest for 20 minutes at room temperature. Stage 4, carving. Remove all the twine. Clip the legs. Carve from leg to breast. When you reach the joint, bend back and cut right through. You can keep any chicken leftovers to make stock if you fancy it. Now all that's left to do is serve your perfect roast chicken alongside seasonal vegetables and your favourite Sunday roast accompaniments. Nap post-feast inevitable. If you want to get cooking to perfection all winter, shimmy over to ao.com to see all our latest ovens and appliances now, helping the nation feast 7 days a week.